Have you had the perfect honey garlic grilled chicken? The secret lies in a flavor-packed marinade and a few simple steps. In a large mixing bowl, combine 6 minced cloves of garlic with a 1/4 cup of honey. This sweet and savory duo is the backbone of our marinade. Next, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for that rich umami punch. Follow this with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This will ensure our chicken stays moist and succulent. Now, for a burst of brightness, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Add a teaspoon of ground ginger for a hint of warmth, and if you're feeling bold, half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes for a spicy kick. Season with salt and pepper to taste, because let's face it, bland chicken is a crime. Whisk everything together until well combined and voila, you've got a marinade that's bursting with flavor. Next, it's time to introduce the chicken to this marinade. Toss the chicken breasts into the bowl, making sure they're generously coated. Cover the bowl and let the chicken marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This is where the real flavor magic happens. Spray a baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. This will prevent the chicken from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. While the chicken is marinating, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Once the chicken is marinated, heat a grill pan or skillet over medium-high heat and sear each side of the chicken breasts for about 2 to 3 minutes. This will give them irresistible grill marks. This will add even more flavor as it bakes. Transfer the seared chicken breasts into the baking dish. Pour the remaining marinade over the chicken. Before placing your chicken in the oven, insert the probe of an oven-safe thermometer into the thickest part of one of the chicken breasts, ensuring it's positioned in the center. Keep an eye on the thermometer's reading as the chicken bakes. The temperature should reach at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius for the chicken to be safely cooked. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and juicy. Once the thermometer registers 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius or higher, the chicken is ready. After baking, let the chicken rest for a few minutes. Good things come to those who wait, and that's especially true when it comes to juicy chicken. Garnish with freshly chopped scallions for a pop of color and flavor. Serve your honey garlic grilled chicken hot with your favorite sides and prepare for a flavor explosion. So there you have it, the secret to making perfect honey garlic grilled chicken. It's a simple process that delivers big on flavor. Here's to good food and good times. Until next time, happy cooking.
Yeah.